Namaste. Today I am going to show you how to make Yakisoba. Yakisoba is very popular stir fry or pan fry noodle in Japan. It can be prepared in different varieties: eggs, meat, and even seafood. However, today I am going to show you vegetarian Yakisoba, which is the best option for vegans. I have prepared some ingredients to make Yakisoba: yellow bell pepper, green pepper, carrots, garlic, spring onion, sliced onion. The kind of noodle I'm using is soba noodle. This noodle is made out of buckwheat. It's called therefor in Nepal and kuttu in India. The reason of its being so popular is that it's gluten-free. If you have any special dietary requirement, please check the label before you buy. First, I'm going to boil the noodle. Bring the water to the boiling point and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Drop the noodle into the water. Cook it for 5 minutes. As you can see, noodle is cooked. Now I'm going to strain it. Now it's time to cook. First of all, heat the pan and add the oil. Chop garlic. Add onion and saute for 30 seconds on high flame. I'm putting some carrot. Let's continue sauteing for 15 to 20 seconds. Now let's add rest of the vegetables except spring onion. Add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon soy sauce. I'm going to add noodle now and keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. In this stage, you can add different kind of spices according to your taste. In Japan, they add hondashi powder, but it is not usual in the market, so you can add veg broth powder. Now noodle is ready. It's time to serve. Wow, it looks so delicious, isn't it? Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like my way of doing noodle, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment below.